If you decide to love someone, surrender your heart. Remove the guards and relinquish their shields. You need to feel this thoroughly. Love was never meant to be safe or measured, so love irrationally. Jump off a cliff without considering consequence. Love specifically. Pay attention to the smaller details of the bigger picture. Love unconditionally. Because there will be days when you don't like her, but the love must remain. And in the event that love breaks you, let it break. Do not close yourself off or shut yourself down. Your heart will be shaped and reshaped, but in the end, it will still be yours. As humans, we're blessed with the skill of adaptation. It's kept us here for eons. We will adapt.
Magic rush, the start a simple touch, one night to push and scream, and then relief, 10 days of perfect tunes, the colors red and blue, we had a promise made, we were in love, took off our hands of above, to lean on. Off our hands above, to lean on, wouldn't be good enough. And you knew the hand of the devil, and you kept us awake with false teeth, sharing different heartbeats in one life. Took off our hands above, to lean on, wouldn't be good enough for me now. Took off our hands above, to lean on, wouldn't be good enough.
I fell by the wayside like everyone else. I hate you, I hate you, I hate you, but I was just kidding myself. Our every moment I started a place, cause now that they're gone, all I hear were the words that I needed to say. When you hurt under the surface, like troubled water running cold. Well, time can heal, but this won't. So, before you go, was there something I could have said to make your heart beat better? If only I'd have known you were the storm to weather. So, before you go, was there something I could have said to make it all stop hurting? It kills me how your mind can make you feel so worthless. So, before you go, was never the right time, whenever you're cold, went little by little by little until there was nothing at all. Our every moment I started to play, but all I can think about is seeing that look on your face. When you hurt under the surface, like troubled water running cold. Well, time can heal, but this won't.